Greatness. Greatness is the worst thing in the world. Greatness often tells all those successful men that why should you not to work? Why should you take rest? Why should you not to learn something new? Today, I'm going to give you some advices which cannot be easily digested to all. They will close this video, but if you are still watching this video, it means you want to do something big in your life. You want to achieve something great. You want to cross your each passion which people understand your limit. You want to do something different from common rules. Swami Vivekananda once says, just take a thought, make it your life, think it, dream it, like and feel in your soul and body. Forget all other bad thoughts. This is the way to be successful. My friends, if you really want to be great, if you really want to develop your talent, if you really want to do something big, you want to change the world, if you want to bring the biggest change, if you really want to all those things which is a dream for others, then I tell you, my dear friends, that the thing that make you different from others is you should engage 100% in your work. Obsess yourself in your work that you love. Apply your soul in your goal. Then your chance is there, and you can also be a great human being. Once APJ Abdul Kalam said, climbing to the top demands a strength. Whether it is to the top of Mount Everest or to the top of your career. Do you really have that strength? Do you have that strength that you could live for your dream? Do you have that strength to do those things which are illogical to the world? Do you have that potential that you feel madness for your work? Do you have that strength? If you lose, then you can dream again. If you are ready to bear this responsibility that you can transform yourself, then there is nothing in the world that you cannot achieve. My friends, if you foster your dream as like you are training a lion within you, as like setting a fire within you, then you can win entire world. For these achievements, you must have burning desire. The desire to make you better than others. The desire to make you better than each yesterday. Do for your dream as much that one day the world will call you crazy. Then think you are about to success. Work like a beast. If you really feel that this video is helpful for you, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you.